When watching this video, please note the following disclaimers. The information covered today has been sourced from government websites. The advice provided in this video should not be considered financial or accounting advice. This is an unprecedented and fast-changing situation. There is still some uncertainty around the details presented today. Please make sure you talk directly to your financial advisors or relevant government body for any further clarifications. And this video was recorded on the 27th of April 2020. Therefore, if you are watching after this date, it is important to check for further updates by talking to your advisor or relevant government body. This video will cover JobKeeper in general, what it is, and if you're eligible, steps to enroll for the JobKeeper payment, steps to process your pay run with JobKeeper when exporting from Deputy, and managing JobKeeper in your payroll solution, ensuring that you get your subsidy payment. In response to the estimated 6 million Australians who have been or who will be financially impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic in the coming weeks or months, the Australian government has now passed legislation on a $130 billion JobKeeper stimulus package. Through the JobKeeper scheme, businesses that have been significantly impacted by the coronavirus outbreak will be able to continue paying their employees with financial assistance from the government. The government has provided criteria for determining if a business is eligible for the payment and which employees will qualify as eligible to receive the payment. For each eligible employee, the business will receive $1,500 a fortnight to be paid in full to each employee, including if this is above their actual earnings. Employees are expected to make up the difference for employees on a higher rate of pay than $1,500 a fortnight. These fortnight payments will be tracked and payable until the 27th of September 2020. The first fortnight schedule started on the 30th of March and is a Monday to Sunday cycle. If your business does not align to this schedule, the ATO will be reviewing the following fortnight schedule to ensure that each eligible employee receives at least $1,500 gross per JobKeeper fortnight. The first step of this process is to determine if your company is eligible for JobKeeper. If your business has a turnover of less than $1 billion and your turnover has fallen by more than 30% of at least a month from the previous year, you are eligible. If your business has a turnover of $1 billion or more and your turnover has fallen by more than 50% in the same period of the previous year, you are also eligible. If your business has been operating for less than a year, you will be able to contact the ATO directly for advice on how to become eligible. To determine which of your employees are eligible, there are 5 categories to check their eligibility. That is their employment status, whether they are either currently employed at your business, have been stood down or rehired and were under your employment on the 1st of March 2020. Their employment contract, whether they are full-time, part-time, or long-term casual that has been employed on a regular basis for longer than 12 months as of March 1st, 2020. Age, they are at least 16 years of age. Citizenship, they are an Australian citizen or hold one of the following visas: the permanent visa or a protected special category visa, or dual employment. They cannot receive the JobKeeper payment for more than one employer. Via the ATO website, they have released 3 simple steps that allow you to enrol for the JobKeeper payment. Step 1, enrolling for the JobKeeper payment. Step 2, identifying and maintaining your eligible employees. And Step 3, make a business monthly declaration. We've included Step 2.5, as we believe there's a step that should exist that allows you to inform your eligible team. Step 1, 2, and 3 are all clearly laid out on the ATO website and require you to log into your business portal using MyGov ID. However, Step 2.5 is more vague, so we have included a way that you can message your team to inform them about their eligibility. We have done this via the Employee Details report that sits inside Deputy. It should give you an indication of which of your staff are eligible, and you can send them a newsfeed post from within this report. And we have a template available on our blog that you can copy and paste straight into the post. As detailed by the ATO, you need to provide these employees with the JobKeeper employee nomination notice and ask them to return it to you by the end of April if you want to claim the JobKeeper payment for April. The nomination form does not need to be provided to the ATO. However, employees are required to keep a copy of the completed form as part of their record-keeping obligations under the law.